Join me as I dive into the challenge of predicting where Bitcoin will go next after hitting $100,000 in just 6 months. The significance of Bitcoin reaching $100,000 cannot be overstated. This milestone marks a major turning point in the cryptocurrency market, and it's essential for investors, enthusiasts, and even skeptics to understand what it means for the future of crypto. I know many of you are thinking, but isn't this just a bubble waiting to burst? Or isn't Bitcoin just too volatile to be taken seriously? And these are valid concerns. After all, we've seen Bitcoin's price fluctuate wildly in the past, and it's only natural to wonder if this latest surge is sustainable. Regulatory concerns are also a major issue. Governments and financial institutions around the world are still figuring out how to deal with cryptocurrencies, and that uncertainty can be a major drag on the market. Add to that the fact that Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it difficult to regulate, and you have a perfect storm of uncertainty. And yet, despite these challenges, Bitcoin continues to defy the odds and push higher. So, what's driving this trend, and is it likely to continue? One major factor is the increasing institutional investment in Bitcoin. Big players like hedge funds, family offices, and even some countries are putting their money into Bitcoin, and that's giving it a level of legitimacy it didn't have before. Another key driver is the rapid advancement of technology in the crypto space. From faster transaction times to more secure wallets, the infrastructure is finally starting to catch up with the hype. And that's making it easier for new investors to get on board. Macroeconomic trends are also playing a major role. With central banks around the world printing money like crazy, investors are looking for alternative stores of value, and Bitcoin is benefiting from that trend. So, what's the magic ingredient that's going to propel Bitcoin to even greater heights? Well, I believe it's the growing realization that Bitcoin is not just a store of value, but a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. According to experts, the current bull run is being driven by a combination of institutional investment and retail FOMO, and as long as that continues, the price is likely to keep rising. Data suggests that we're seeing a perfect storm of adoption, with more and more people buying into the Bitcoin narrative. And as that narrative gains traction, the price is likely to follow. In conclusion, Bitcoin's surge to $100,000 is not just a flash in the pan, it's a sign of a fundamental shift in the way people think about money and investing. Whether you're a true believer or a skeptic, this trend is worth paying attention to. So, what do you think? Is Bitcoin going to continue its upward trajectory, or is this just a temporary blip on the radar? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the world of cryptocurrency, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 altcoins to watch in 2023.